Welcome to DeriSnap.com. In this video, you will see how to use beginner mode in spot trading. Our Deri bots are designed to automatically execute trading strategies for users, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, let the bot handle complex logic while you can monitor performance in real time. Beginner mode in DeriSnap spot trading, even first-time traders can trade like pros. Connect your exchange, add your pairs, and let the Deri bot do the work for you. Now, you can log into DeriSnap using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Spot Trading Bot section. Once that is done, click on the Exchanges tab. Here you need to connect the exchanges for the DeriSnap. DeriSnap supports a wide range of exchanges like Binance and Binance US, Coinbase, Kraken, Delta Exchange, KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGet, Crypto.com, and many more. With one platform, you can manage your spot trades across all your favorite exchanges securely and efficiently. You can check out the help guide to use how to connect different exchanges like Binance and Coinbase to DeriSnap for spot trading. This guide will help you understand how to link your exchange accounts with DeriSnap, what steps to follow, one by one. It's a step-by-step setup that makes it easy for anyone to connect and manage their trading accounts through DeriSnap. To connect an exchange like Binance, follow these steps. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Account section. Click on API Management and then select Create API. Enter a label for your API. After that, confirm the verification through both your email and authenticator code. Once verified, your API key and API secret will be generated. Now go back to DeriSnap, click on Binance under Exchanges, and enter the API key and API secret. You can view the status of your exchange connection in the Exchanges tab. If connected successfully, it will show a Connected status. After that, go to the Update API Keys section. Click on the small Info button. This will open a pop-up window. Inside the pop-up window, you'll find an IP address. Copy that IP address. Now, go to Binance API Management. Click Edit Restrictions for your API key. Paste the copied IP address there. Tick the box that says, Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Then click Save. Now, Binance will now ask you to verify using your email and authenticator code. Complete that. Once done, your API key will have spot and margin trading access enabled. Once your exchanges are connected, you can proceed to the Trade tab for your spot trades. On the Trade page, there's a toggle button at the top to switch between beginner and advanced modes. Now, switch to beginner mode. It offers a simplified view, perfect for getting started. Once you've connected the exchange, the top trading pairs from that exchange are automatically added to your account. Beginner mode in DeriSnap is specially tailored for beginners, with simple toggles and automated strategies, while still offering control for advanced users. In beginner mode, simply add the coins you want to trade and select a bot from the available list, and it will automatically create orders based on the current market trend. Our Deri bots will automatically create orders based on current market trends, managing stop losses and trailing profits for your trades. In the Update API Keys section, you can update your API key and secret key anytime if you make changes on your exchange account. You can set an overall portfolio stop loss for your trades, which means all your current spot trades will exit if the specified stop loss percentage is reached. Use Exit Exchange to disconnect any account from DeriSnap. You can also use Stop Trading to pause all trades from beginner mode. Then you can enable the Start Trade to begin trading. If you want to trade a specific pair of your choice, simply click on the Add Pairs option to add the coins you wish to trade. If you want to trade a specific pair, like OPUSDT, search for it and select it. Select how much of your wallet balance you want to allocate for this trade, example 50%. Choose from various bots available for different trading strategies. Each bot will display information like stop loss, minimum take profit, and trailing take profit. You can choose the bot based on the nature of your trade. After selecting your bot, enable the Start Trade toggle switch to initiate trades. Once done, you'll see the trading pairs you added linked with the selected bots. Similarly, you can continue adding more trading pairs as per your trading preferences. You can place spot trades across different exchanges simultaneously. DeriSnap shows wallet balances and the portion allocated for each trade. Here, wallet balance helps you to understand the available margin and you can plan your trades accordingly. Here, I've added all the pairs I want to trade in the spot market. You can add as many trading pairs here for you trade. Users can click the info button to view details like stop loss and trailing profit settings for active trades. If you need to update the margin or change the bot for a trade, you can do so easily in Update tab. Once updated, the bot will automatically follow the new settings for next trades. To delete any trading pair, simply use the delete button. If you want to trade multiple trading pairs, you can assign a bot to each pair and start trading. When a trend signal is detected for your selected pairs, Deri Bot will automatically place the trade and manage it based on the bot settings, including stop loss and trailing take profit. If you don't want a specific trading pair to take trades, you can simply turn off the toggle switch for that pair. Once you've enabled all the trading pairs you wish to trade, you can sit back and relax. The Deri Bot will automatically place trades based on trend signals and exit at stop loss and trailing profits. You can view all your spot trades in the Active Orders tab. Here, you can see the orders placed by the Deri Bot, including details like stop loss and trailing percentages. Here, Deri Bot placed an order after receiving a trend signal from the DAUGUSDT coin. In the completed orders page, you can see your trades that have been closed, either because the stop loss was hit or the trailing take profit was reached. Now, the bot is waiting for the next trend signal to place a new trade, making the entire process simple and automated. Thank you.